In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Inquire Now button to your product page in Shopify, the 2025 guide. This process is crucial for businesses looking to offer a more personalized shopping experience by encouraging potential customers to direct their questions about products, thus possibly increasing engagement and sales. Let's begin by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, head over to My Store, where you can customize your store's appearance. Specifically, we will focus on your theme. Click on Themes from the menu options. This will lead you to a page where all your available themes are listed. Now, select Customize for the theme you currently have active on your store. This opens the theme editor, a powerful tool that allows you to make visual changes and see them in real time. Once you're in the theme editor, direct your attention to the top left corner and select Home Page from the drop-down menu. However, for our task today, we're interested in the Products page, so go ahead and click on Products. This action will present the different product templates you have. We are focusing on default settings, so click on Default Products. In the Default Products section, we'll now add the Inquire Now button. Scroll to find the Add Section button and click on it. A menu presenting various section options will appear, from which you should select Custom Liquid. This is where we can add custom code to our page. If you're using a platform, service, or a tool capable of generating AI-driven code, you can simply instruct it to create a snippet for an Inquire Now button. The beauty of using such a tool lies in its ability to tailor the code according to your specific needs, ensuring it seamlessly blends with the rest of your page design. Once the code is ready, copy it and return to the Custom Liquid section. Here you'll see an empty field designated for pasting your code. Simply paste the AI-generated code into this liquid code area. It's always a good idea to review the pasted content to ensure that it aligns with your expectations and layout. After placing your code, it's essential to save your work. Locate the Save button, usually found at the top right corner of the theme editor, and click it to ensure all your changes are stored and applied to your live site. With these steps, your product page should now feature an Inquire Now button, inviting customers to ask questions or request more information directly on the page. This feature can help you connect with visitors on a more personal level and potentially increase their satisfaction and likelihood of making a purchase. If you encounter any issues, always refer back to your theme-specific documentation or reach out to Shopify support for expert advice. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your online store.